In this module, you'll be working with Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a very powerful application, and it's used for organizing data into table format, and you will be working with spreadsheets. So if you've used Google Sheets at all or some application like that, you'll know that you can organize data into tables and it will perform mathematical operations for you. In this first module, much like how you started Microsoft Word, you're going to be creating files, saving them, learning how to open them, and they are referred to as workbooks. You'll enter data and work with data, so you'll learn some tips and tricks for how to enter and copy data from one cell to another. And then you'll also be working with simple formulas. So when you go to work with Excel, you should see the Microsoft products either on your desktop if you downloaded and asked for desktop shortcuts, or you can just type in Excel here and this should come up for you. And this is the workbook that you're working with. So it's just like having a notebook, right? So you have a sheet here in your notebook and you can add sheets. Okay, so you can have multiple tabs and multiple grids to work with. Entering data, go ahead and work through the sim book and it'll teach you how to enter data and recognize that Excel will need to know the type of data you're working with. If you're working with numbers, it'll format them a certain way. Currency or accounting, you'll see dollar signs, you'll see 2 decimal places. Dates are handled differently, right? So it's important to know how to work with the data you have. As always, your assignments, you have a sim book and you have a project. So work through those. The sim book grade comes from the Let Me Try, and in the previous projects, just like the previous projects, you can submit up to 4 times. So submit your work, review the feedback and the graded result, make corrections, and then resubmit. Do let me know if you have any questions.